Essentially what the robot does is it's a robotic arm that has a burr on the end of it that allows us to burr the surface where the implant is going to sit and match it to the patient's anatomy. We're hopeful that this technology will provide better accuracy in terms of putting the implant in, and this technology has been used for the last 10 to 15 years in hip and knee replacement with good efficacy. Interestingly, the robot uses the same implants that I've personally been using basically since the start of my career. So the integration of the robot into our workflows has been relatively straightforward because we're familiar with the current implant. It's just a tool that allows us to put the implant in a different way. So the robot has what's called haptic boundaries. Now, a haptic boundary is, it knows where the patient's anatomy is, and so it can create boundaries outside of which the robot is not allowed to enter. So it's like I still control the robotic arm, but it controls how much bone it takes away, as well as how far it allows me to ream or use the burr within the field. Yeah, it's very safe to use. The haptics control the perimeter, so you're unable to take the robotic arm outside the perimeter that the haptics have defined. When we plan a shoulder replacement, we use CT, and that gives us a very good 3D appreciation of where the bone is. And then the robot executes that surgical plan based on the patient's specific anatomy. So robotic technology and artificial intelligence in surgery are going to totally change the landscape over the next 5 years. This robotic technology will be significantly more advanced over the next 2 to 5 years than it is at present. It's incredibly exciting to have the opportunity to adopt the technology early. We're lucky enough to be the 7th surgeon in the world who's completed cases with the Mako smart robotics technology.